In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subscription using Stripe. Stripe is one of the leading platforms for handling online payments, especially when it comes to managing recurring payments through subscriptions. Whether you're just starting or you're looking to refine your existing setup, this guide aims to make the process as straightforward as possible. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Stripe website. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. For those who are new to Stripe, you'll need to create an account, which is a fairly quick process involving providing some basic information and verifying your email. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the Stripe dashboard, which is the control center for all your payment activities. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the Billings tab. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the interface. Click on it, and this will reveal several options related to billing management. From here, select Subscriptions. This section allows you to set up and manage recurring billing for your products or services. Once you're in the Subscriptions section, you'll want to find and click the Create a Subscription button. This will take you to a new screen where you can start entering all the necessary details for your subscription. It's important to be precise at this stage, as the details you provide will define how your subscription operates. You'll need to input the customer name or select an existing one. Specify the product or service being subscribed to, and determine the pricing plan. You'll also have options to set billing intervals, such as weekly, monthly, or annually, depending on how you want to structure your subscription. After filling in all the subscription details, take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to double-check your work before proceeding, especially when dealing with financial transactions. Once you're satisfied with the information, go ahead and save the subscription setup. And just like that, you're done. With these steps, you've successfully created a subscription on Stripe. Now your customers can sign up and be billed automatically according to the plan you've just set up. Remember, the Stripe dashboard also provides tools and analytics to help you track the performance of your subscriptions over time, so be sure to take advantage of those features. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, Stripe has a robust help section and support team to assist you. Setting up subscriptions might seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes an integral part of efficiently handling your payment processes. Thanks for watching, and let's get started with managing your subscriptions like a pro.